I'm going to show you how to do a bulk upload for a new index in IgigBook. So if we go to add new, and we'll call it test book, and we're going to have 54 songs, and the code index can be, the index code rather can be, well, let's just call it test book again. And you don't need to worry about a password, but you can put one in if you wish, that's fine. So we're going to add that, and it brings up down here, test book. Okay, so now we're going to go and create a book. If you go to the menu here and you look at bulk upload, it will show you the syntax that you need to use to upload. So they have to have the title in quotations, a comma, some numbers, etc. It has to be more than 50, but no more than 500. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an Excel document with that syntax in. So first of all, let's go and grab some data. So if we grab the anthology book like that, and let's do all of the A's. Like that. So I'm going to copy those song titles and I'm going to put those into Excel. Let's have a new book. And here we go. So I'm simply going to paste Command V or Control V those titles in there. Now you remember from the syntax that the title has to be in quotation marks. So how do we do that in Excel? So if we just grab that column, right click and go to Format Cells and then Custom and type in here, if we put this format in, so slash, exclamation mark, the @ another slash and another exclamation mark, and press OK, that will put all of the titles with not exclamation marks, quotation marks, all the way down. So you'll see from the next part of the syntax there has to be a comma, a number, a comma, a number, a comma, and then the author. So let's see how we do that. So in the next column, if we put a comma, we can grab that and we can drag that all the way down to populate all 54 rows of that column. Now the next number is actually the page number. So for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to assume that they go sequentially like that. So in Excel you can do a little trick like this where you grab that again, pull that down, and it will make sequential numbers for you. 1 to 54. We need another comma. So that brings that down to there. And the next number is the amount of pages that song occupies. I know in this book they're all 1. So all we're going to do is we're going to make that column 1s all the way down. Okay, the last column is, oh actually no, we need another comma there, don't we? Let's do that again. And then the last column now is the composers. So in this book there's like 1,500 different songs, and I'm not sure how valuable it is to know what each of the composers are. I know people sometimes search for composer songs, but I don't know how valuable that is. So I'm not going to bother. I'm going to put unknown. At least it occupies that part of the syntax. So now we've got all of this information here, which matches all of that information there. And we've done 50 songs, right? So we're going to grab all of that data, like that, and we're going to copy it, so Command C or Control C, and we're going to put that into Notepad. Now you'll see that all of the data's there, but we've got all of these gaps, and that doesn't allow for gaps. So this is how we get rid of the gaps. We're going to grab all of that data again, and we're going to put it into a word processing app. I'm using Pages, but you can do this in Microsoft Word. So if I paste that into there, you might wonder why I just didn't go straight into Microsoft Word or Pages from Excel, and the reason is that if I pasted that in straight away, it would go into a frame, which we don't really want, or a table. So you have to remove that part of the process by using Notepad. So in order to move these gaps here, all I've got to do is double click on one of those gaps and press Control F or Command F, and this will bring a find and replace window up. So if I paste, and now it's pasted that amount of gap and highlighted all of the other gaps in there, and I'm not going to put anything in replace, I'm going to leave that as it is. So it will replace it with nothing. Okay, so we press replace all, and it gets rid of all of those gaps. So I can now select all of that data, and I'm going to bring it into the IgigBook window and press paste. So that's now all in the correct order for that. And we got a test index, didn't we? There we go, test book. And I'm going to upload it. And there you go, all done. Thank you for watching.